guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm reviewing Knotty Knickers. Now, for those of you that don't know, Knotty Knickers is a knicker subscription service. It's panties in the post, and I think it is genius. Now I'm looking at this from a mum's perspective, especially in the early days. You know, before you had children, all those little extras that you used to buy for yourself, those little, you know, lacy panties and your bra sets and all those little treats that you used to get. Yeah, we see the moment you have that little bundle of joy, those little treats are a second thought. No, they're not even a second thought. They are gone. They're so gone. And you know, you chuck everything into raising this gorgeous baby, and before you know it, at some point you will have knickers older than your child. Now I know some of you are going to be like, no, definitely not. But at the same time, there are going to be mums sat there watching this going, oh, hell yeah, been there. Been there, okay? It happens to the best of us. So honestly, I think a knicker subscription service is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Now, there are package options at Knotty Knickers. There are 3 options. There's the naughty package, which is your thongs and your G-strings. There's your nice package, which are more your fuller briefs. And then there's the sugar and spice package, that's sort of a mixture of the two. So there's something for everybody. And the sizing starts at a UK 4 and goes right through to a UK 28. Brilliant. Love the fact that there is such a broad size range. Absolutely fantastic. So you can decide what package you want. You can also decide whether you only want 1 pair delivered, 2 pairs or 3. Obviously there's like a price difference. For 1 pair, I think it's £3.99, for 2, £6.99, and for 3, £9.99. But at the same time, you can decide whether you want that every month or whether you want it every 2. So there are options, and I like the fact there are options. It's not rigid. You can maneuver it about to fit your budget, and yeah, I like that. So my Knotty Knickers arrived a few days ago. Pair number 1, pair number 2, and pair number 3. I went for the nice package because I'm nice. You know, I had a look at other reviews, and a lot of people were reviewing the naughty package. I mean, thongs and G-strings. And that's great if that's your thing. And about 10 years ago, that was my thing. But now it's really not my thing. I like my fuller briefs, what can I say? And so that is the package I went for, the nice package. And I haven't opened these since they came, and I'm dying to get into it. Now, obviously, the knickers you get, it's random. So you don't get to choose the styles you want. So we're just going to dive right in because I don't really know what I've got. Okay, we're going to start with this one. And we're going to start with this one because I don't think I'm going to like it. Just because the colour, it's not a colour I typically go for. But, well, I couldn't do that again if I tried, could I? That was just, hold on. They've run away. Yeah. Where was I? Right. First pair. I don't think this should be in here. Well, I have to say, this is very pretty, but it's not what I ordered. Okay, so, flying start. And we've hit a bit of a problem. Well, not a problem as such. It's just I ordered the nice package and I appear to have received something that shouldn't be in the nice package. But I have to say, I think I like them. The material is incredibly soft and I like that. They do look like they're going to be quite comfy. There is an amazing amount of stretch. I'm a bit shocked because it wasn't what I was expecting. So let's have a look at the next pair. I feel like this is a bit of a potluck now. I'm not really sure what I've got. So next pair. Ah, nice. No flying knickers this time. So these are a little bit more of what I was sort of expecting. They're very soft, very stretchy, nice little bit of lace detailing. And I just think they're really cute. Very cute. Right, next pair. These are the ones that have intrigued me the most. Ah! They are gorgeous. Oh my God. Oh, I absolutely love those. Now these are a little bit more me. I like this because it's not going to be going directly up my bum, which at my age is just not as comfortable as it once was. But they're sexy knickers. Sexy knickers. No, I like. Oh, they are lovely. And again, there's still loads of stretch in these. So hopefully they're going to be really comfortable. Now, I ordered an XXL, which is 22 to 24. And I have to say, oh God, I love these. Oh my God, they're so pretty. Ah, the blue is just, it's everything. Oh, Christ. So overall, I'm quite chuffed. Even though there was a pair in there that I don't think should have been there, these have 100% made up for it. They are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna go. Thank you for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed yourself. I'll put the link for Knotty Knickers down in the description if you want to go and check it out. If not for yourself, maybe for your partner. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little bell thing that'll let you know every time I post a new video. And if you haven't already, head over to Instagram, give me a follow, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.